Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery on a GMC Yukon key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Find a clean, well-lit area to work. Now, let's begin by locating the small slot on the side of your key fob. This is where we'll start the simple process. With your small flathead screwdriver, carefully insert the tip into the slot on the side of the key fob. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves apart. You should hear a slight click as they begin to separate. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Once reassembled, it's time to test your key fob. Try locking and unlocking your GMC Yukon to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and all functions are restored. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.